The sacred sound of Vedas. This is the 400-year-old Ganapathy temple in God's own country, Kerala, in a very remote village, Mellarkode. Hi guys, welcome to your channel, Driving for Wellness. Photography is not allowed inside. However, we can listen to the sacred sound of Vedas from inside. The rishis devised ways to maintain the purity, clarity and originality of Vedas by instructing appropriate chanting techniques. Each of this technique follows a precise mathematical pattern. In order to ensure that the words and hence their meanings do not get corrupted or mutated, it was laid down that the Vedic mantras should be chanted in a particular sequence or combinations called the Vakya, Pada, Krama, Jata, Dvaja, Danda, Ghana, to name a few of them. The description of each of these patterns and combination is done using mathematical symbols and notations. The sound of these Vedic mantras are more significant than their meanings. The syllables chanted in a particular manner creates a special energy. Let us listen to the sound of these Vedic mantras from the temple.
Om Gadaram Swa Swa Gadaram Gadaram Swa Ganapathim Swa Gadaram Gadaram Swa Ganapathim Swa Swa Ganapathy Havamahe Ganapathim Swa Ganapathy Havamahe Ganapathy Havamahe Ganapathy Havamahe Kavim Havamahe Ganapathy Havamahe Kavim Ganapathy Ghanam Havamahe Kavim Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Kavigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamasravastamam Kavinam Upamasravastamam Kavina Upamasravastamam Upamasravastamamityupamasravaha Tamam Yeshtarajam Brahmanam Yeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Yeshtarajam Brahmanah Yeshtarajamiti Yeshtam Rajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspadevade Brahmanaspade Brahmanaspada apade Brahmanaspada Pada apade Pada anoda apade Pada anaha Anoda ana Shrinvan